All right, let's take you live to Rudee Inlet at the Virginia Beach oceanfront. All of this wet weather is creating a big problem for boaters. A shoal has formed near the inlet, and it could only, we're told, get worse.
Right now, plans are in the works for an emergency dredging project. This is the only way to keep things safe for the boaters. 13 News Now reporter Allie Weatherton was at the Rudee Inlet today and found people want to start work sooner rather than later.
It worries us a lot.
And Skip Feller with Rudee Tours isn't the only one concerned about shoaling. So is the Virginia Aquarium and Marine Science Center.
So right now we're noticing that it's getting very shallow as we go out.
So far, no boat trips have been canceled yet.
We are still able to navigate at low tide, but it's on the verge of not being able to navigate at low tide.
The recent number of heavy storms brought high winds and surf.
So in March and April we canceled a majority of our trips because of shoaling.
And over the past couple of months, the shoaling got worse. That's why Virginia Beach Public Works is set to start a 24-hour emergency dredging operation at the mouth of the Rudee Inlet. Acting operations engineer Philip Cutter says rough seas are holding crews back from starting.
Our dredge does not operate, and we are restricted from putting it out where we have greater than 2.5-foot seas.
Once the water calms down, work will start.
And as conditions allow, whether it's at 12 noon or 12 midnight, we will be putting them out to attack the shoaling.
Cutter says it'll take about 2 days to complete the dredging project. In late August, the Army Corps of Engineers will head to this area and dredge the same area with bigger equipment. In Virginia Beach, Allie Weatherton, 13 News Now.